another BCA special. Jaguar X Type 2 litre diesel premium. It's what's that? The half leather and is it Alcantara? I can't remember what it's called. Heated seats. The only thing is missing, I think, is a sat nav. I'm not entirely sure for the year 2005 if it did one. Pretty decent nick. I've already put an MOT on it. Had to replace the glove box as well because it wouldn't open. Pretty much full service history. Just had it serviced as well. So yeah, nice tidy thing. Literally just about to give it a wash. Not entirely sure what the skull and crossbone logos are for. Yeah, nice tidy thing. I know it's got a dent on the passenger wing, or where the drivers were actually. Yeah, otherwise it's a nice tidy car. So this should hopefully be up for sale. I don't think the rear parking sensors work either, because it definitely wasn't beeping coming up to the Mini. But yeah, nice car. So hopefully it'll be a quick sell. That's a Jag washed. Just need to dry it, and polish it, and touch in some paint. Weather's a bit iffy though, so I might polish it another time and just get some photos. But that's the bit I need to do. I'll see how good it is touched in. Otherwise I might have to spray it. Otherwise I've got a dent there, so you can see in the camera, and just a few bits of things to touch in. Otherwise there's nothing else to do to it. I've already had it serviced, had it MOT'd, had a load of work done to it. I think it cost me over £700 just to get it through the MOT. So, but hopefully still make a little bit of profit on it. Otherwise it's a handy little car. I might even use it for myself just to get to work and back. You know, it's fairly economical, 5-speed manual, decent sized boot. Everyone loves an estate. You can literally chuck anything you want in there. So yeah, now to dry it and maybe polish it, and like I said, touch in some blemishes here and there, and then go and take some pictures. Well, that's the bodge job. I should have sanded it back really, but I'm not entirely sure how much it would have flaked away, so I've just kind of left it really. I will see. If I do get too many complaints when I get a few ins, then I'll just have to address it. And there it is. It's not too bad. The paint didn't come up too bad either. You can't see it from a distance, but when you walk up closely you definitely can see it. It's quite a nice car, to be fair. Everyone loves an estate, don't they, really? You can't really go wrong with a 2 litre Jag diesel, and especially if it hasn't rusted away as well. The MOT tester did say it's very clean underneath, but he had to put an advisory down because they're sill covers. So I'm hoping that doesn't put too many people off. So we'll have to wait and see. It's going to go up for sale later on today. So by the time I posted this video, I'm hoping it should have already been sold. We'll wait and see. So I will post the for sale pictures shortly. I'm just checking these stains out. I completely forgot about them, to be fair. So I'll try and hide them if I can in the photos and just clean them up when I can, really. So yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next video.